Hello everybody, my name is Carolina and welcome to another DMU vlog. I'm currently doing my Masters in Marketing Management at DMU and today I'm here to talk to you about how to make friends and how to maintain them while studying from home. So I've been talking to a lot of people and I've been asking them what scares them with this whole pandemic situation, and one of the things that they've been talking a lot is to make friends online, how to make friends online, how to meet new people online, and how to do this if you're starting a new degree, if you're starting at a new city. So I'm going to give you a few tips of my own and a few platforms that you can use. So tip number one, just join the Applying to DMU group. If you're watching this to apply in 2020, if you're watching this to apply in 2021 or any other year, DMU always makes a group on Facebook in which they gather everyone that is applying, everyone that is thinking of applying, previous students, and usually in there, if you join, you have loads of people commenting their social networks, commenting where they're staying, what degree are they on, asking to meet new people. So this is actually a really good chance for you to see if you have anyone of your degree in there, see if you have anyone that wants to join the same society as you. And that brings me to point number two. Join a society, join a group. Even though you may be scared of not having as much activities physically as planned, they are super original and I am pretty sure they will come up with different activities for you to do, with different Zoom calls, different platforms for you to engage with, and that's incredible for you to meet people, because usually societies have plenty of different people from different countries and they're all pretty engaging and all pretty funny as well. Just make sure that you create either a WhatsApp, a Facebook group with your classmates or the people that live in the same flat as you. This is the easiest way for you to be in touch and you will never feel lonely, because in the end we were all together in the same situation. One thing that I've done and actually resulted in some of the best friendships that I've made is I asked one or two of my friends to do a video call with me and to bring people that I don't know, friends of them, to the video call as well. This is amazing for you to know people that you've never met before, and you can do this with people that you find in societies or that you found on the Facebook group. Of course that things can actually change till then, but just be sure that either way you will have plenty of opportunities to make friends. And if you still feel lonely, if you still feel down, if you don't have any motivation, just be sure to drop us a message, because we will talk to you, we will help you out, and there are plenty of things that we can do for you as well. So that is all for this video. If you guys have any comment or any suggestion that you want to leave, feel free to either comment down below or just message us in any of our social media channels. In the meanwhile, stay safe, stay healthy, and we will see each other super soon at the Montfort University.